So throughout this course, you have heard me mention Bootstrap a few times. Bootstrap is basically a CSS framework for building modern and responsive applications that look good both on desktop computers as well as tablets and mobiles. Explanation of Bootstrap is really beyond the scope of this course, and that's something you need to learn on your own. But in this lecture, I'm going to show you how to replace a native JavaScript confirmation box with a Bootstrap dialog box. Now, one way to use a Bootstrap dialog box is to go to Bootstrap website and follow the steps explained in their documentation. An easier way is to use a library called Bootbox. Bootbox is an abstraction over Bootstrap that provides a number of simple functions that we can call to create different kinds of dialog boxes. You can read more about Bootbox and its features on their website bootboxjs.com. Now, to add Bootbox to our project, open up Package Manager console with Alt/period. Type install package bootbox and set the version to 4.3.0 to make sure you get the exact same library I'm using in this video. Okay, beautiful. Now in Solution Explorer, you can see in the scripts folder, we've got two new files, bootbox.js and bootbox.min.js, which is the minified or compressed version of Bootbox. Now we're going to add a reference to bootbox.js in our bundle. So go to app_start, open up bundle config, scroll down. Here's our Bootstrap bundle, so we can add it here. Scripts, bootbox.js. Now, I'm not adding the minified file here because with these bundles, we automatically get minification when we compile the application in the release mode. I'm going to talk about that later in this course. Now, back to our index.cs.html. I'm going to replace this confirm function with a bootbox function. So, bootbox.confirm. Are you sure you want to delete this customer? Now, this function, unlike the native confirm function in JavaScript, doesn't return a Boolean. Instead, it takes a callback function. So we pass a callback function here, result. Now, if this result has a truthy value, which means it's not null or undefined, then we're going to make our AJAX call. So I'm going to select this call to jQuery.ajax, cut, paste it here, and then we can get rid of this confirm function. Okay, now build, because we have modified our bundles. Back to the browser, refresh. Let's delete one of these customers. There you go. This is Bootstrap dialog box. And I think this looks much better than the native confirmation box in JavaScript. Next, I'm going to talk about a slight optimization of our jQuery code.